Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing how to doodle some mini florals and leaves using brush pens. I think it's a great way to practice your skill if you are a beginner, and it relaxes your mind as well. So I'll be using my Tombow dual brush pens for this. They have variety of shades and you can use any brush pens that you have right now. Also, if you don't have any brush pens, then you can also use any fine liner pens or even regular pen or pencil to practice these. Also, I'm using this Canson notebook having 180 GSM paper that works great for brush pens. So for the first one, I am doing this very tiny 3-petal flower shape and I'm using the flexible tip of the brush. If you want, you can also use the marker side of the brush. But if you're using the flexible tip side, then just make sure to use only the tip of the pen. And you need to put very light pressure on the tip, as you can see the way I'm doing over here. So I'm just making a bunch of these tiny flowers together in the random directions, and then I'm using a darker green shade pen to join them with stems. Again, I'm using only the tip of the brush and I'm putting very light pressure on my hand. I'm adding some more flowers over here. And now I'm adding some random leaves. So I'm first making the stem of the leaf with a very light pressure, but for the leaf I'm putting slightly more pressure to give it that shape. And again, just remember to use only the tip of the brush. Add the leaves wherever you feel it's required. And here I am giving this little tiny detail in the bottom of the flower that will look like a small stamen. Now for the second one, I am using the same upward stroke, but I am making a slightly big flower shape here, having 4 or 5 petals. And now I am using this contrasting shade and joining all the flowers together with the stem. And for the leaves, I am making this leaf shape first and I am adding the pigment inside that shape. Now this one is the kind of daisy flower shape that I'm doing here, and I'm making the bottom petal first and then coming back to the top of the flower. Again, I'm making the flowers in the random direction and will then join them with a stem. Also, I'm adding this small center of the flower here, and I'm adding a slightly different leaf shape over here. You can of course use whatever leaf shape you want to add. Next, I'm making these tiny berry shapes. For that, you just need to make a small oval shape like this. This one is really easy. I'm also adding this tiny stem on top of these berries. This one is again a 3-petal flower shape, but you could see that I'm doing it in a different way than the previous one. Also, I'm keeping these flowers small in size and I'm making them in the random directions. Now I'm joining the flowers with these curved stem shapes, and then I will add some random leaves. For the next one, I am making a simple leaf doodle, and for that I am making these large stems first, crossing each other, and then I am adding these small stems. And now you just need to add the leaves on these stems. Next, we'll be doing some berries. So for that, I'm making this large stem first, and then I'm taking out these small branches like this. Now I'm just adding these small round shaped berries on these branches. Next one is again a simple leaf doodle, and for that I'm making this large stem first, and now I'm adding some leaves on it. Lastly, I'm using the Pigma Micron fine liner pen to add some shading in the flowers. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you find today's video useful and would like to give this a try. If you like this, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos, and I'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.